today's Bitcoin analysis on daily time frame, we have this level of support for the price. As you can see, we have actually several touches on this level of support. And also, if you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we have this pin bar candle on this level of support, so we can enter buy position here with the stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. And we got our reward somewhere here, but for more rewards we should wait for this trend line broken to the upside. Okay, the price break this trend line to the upside, and which today it tried to break it to the upside. You can see the shadow out of the trend line, but it couldn't close its body up there. Instead, it made a shadow, then it actually returned inside the trend line. And we should wait for something like 10 hours and to see how this candle is gonna close. If it's gonna close like this, we will extend the trend line until the top of the shadow and wait for the next candles to break it to the upside. Okay, but if it can actually break it to the upside and close its body up there after the daily candle close, we can enter buy position again there, put our stop loss somewhere safe below these candles or here, and look for our reward. And our reward can be this level of resistance on actually $28,800 on weekly time frames resistance, or this trend line here, which you can see the price has 2 touches on that. Our target of this buy position can be that trend line. And we can also wait for the break of that trend line too, and again enter another long-term buy position on Bitcoin for the daily time frame. Okay, we should wait for this trend line broken to the upside that we can open our buy position there. If we check 4-hour time frame, today and yesterday was actually markets closed and we had less volume in the market. We had some candles with shadows from upside and downside, stop loss activators. It is actually illogical to enter buy and sell positions or open any position on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, we have other 5 days and we can trade on that time. Okay, so but we have some movements in the market, like we had this one here, this trend line broken to the downside. Right now, we can have some sell scenarios on 4-hour time frame and touch this level of support again, but we should wait for tomorrow to see how the market gonna actually act in tomorrow, because the market's gonna open and we have more volume comparing to today. Let's check 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, I'm not seeing anything special. The price is in transition because we broke this trend line to the downside somewhere here. The price is in transition and it is giving the reward of those who have entered sell position here, and yeah, they are getting their rewards. We have the level of support here and the trend line from upside. And these trend lines must be broken in their time frame. Okay, like if it is daily time frames trend line, it must be broken in daily time frame. Not if you want to enter in lower time frames like 15-minute time frame, it will be a fake breakout and touch your stop loss. Okay, in most of the times it is like that. For actually entering earlier and getting more rewards, it can touch your stop loss. It can be a fake breakout. On 1-hour time frame, we can say it is range. The market is range. We have a resistance from upside for the price, this level here, and also this level of support, which we have it here as a blue area. If we check 15-minute time frame, on 15-minute time frame, actually the price made a shadow from downside here. The shadow is not enough itself because we had 3 shadows here. Okay, we must have the support area, then we can actually say it is support area and the candles we want on that, so we can enter buy position or sell position based on that. Okay, the shadows, the candles themselves are not enough. We must have the level. Like we had a nice level here. Okay, we had a level. You can see the price was falling and touches a level, starts going up, and again sometimes here, you know, several times here. Okay, you know, we can draw a area like this, the price touches that area, then it starts going up a bit. Okay, and right now it is making some patterns, and I can't say enter buy or sell position here because I don't see anything special, and we also don't have any patterns here. Let's check 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, again, I don't see anything special. The price is making patterns, and I recommend not to trade on Saturday and actually Sundays because of the low volume in the market. And yeah, on 5-minute time frame, again, we don't have anything special. Let's check 1-minute time frame if the chart can be loaded. You know, crypto markets 1-minute time frame is not okay when you compare it to Forex. Okay, like if you compare it with gold or silver, crypto coins like BTC and Ethereum on 1-minute time frame are actually really bad, and I'm not interested in trading them in 1-minute time frame. But you know, we can draw this, actually something like this one here. I'm not recommending to do anything, but you can draw these kind of things for educational side. Okay, with the break of this trend line, we can open our buy position, or with the break of this trend line to the downside, we can open our sell position on 1-minute time frame. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and if you have enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.